All right, guys, it's another nasty rainy day. It seems like every day's like this. I guess it's not cold again, so I'll take that as a win for today. But we are over here in Kentucky. I am rounding up some used parts I found on Facebook, and I am in the backyard of a fellow YouTuber. So I'm gonna go see if I can track him down and say hi. All right, guys, look who I found in the backwoods of Kentucky.
Uh-oh.
You're like my neighbor versus a hill and a river. So I made it over here, Junior, Shooter Options Targets.
What's going on, guys?
If you guys haven't seen his YouTube channel, I'll put a link in the description, but you got to check it out, man. He's doing some really cool stuff. I'm going to try to talk him into giving us a shop tour. What do you think?
I'm going to try to get him to work on this table here. Try to put him to work while he's here.
I've been here for like an hour and a half, and he keeps trying to put me to work, and I just want to visit, but we're having a good time. So let's check out his operation here.
All right, guys. Junior with Shooter Option Targets and Signs coming at you with Dirt Perfect. This guy is awesome. He's been in the shop for a while now, hanging out, and we're going to go through the process.
You're lying, but that's okay.
We've got our CNC plasma table, which helps us cut parts, pieces, and our metal artwork, signs, stuff like that. So if you guys are into any of that, just look us up. But yeah, we get on a computer here. We draw up your logo or your sign or whatever that you order. We put it on our program, do what we need to do to it. Get the metal laid up on the table. Hit the little green button for go. It says cut. And we let the table do the rest of the work. So my job's not very hard.
Yeah, but real quick, I mean, you guys can if they can email it to you, whether it be clip art or a personalized monogram, anything like that.
Yeah, you guys shoot us an email. Get us a picture of what you're interested in, what you need, what you want, what color, what size, stuff like that. And we get you guys hooked up. We can do just about anything. If you guys see, we've got some parts and pieces over here. We've got Camaro there. We did. Now it's probably not specific year or what have you, but yeah. So if you guys are interested in getting your logo done up for your office, we have several different options: 2-layer, positive image, a negative image, or what have you. And we can get your guys' stuff hooked up. I believe Dirt Perfect's getting him one done.
Yeah, I come in the shop, and the first thing I noticed was this one.
So we're not going to let Dirt Perfect drive all the way from southern Indiana over here to the finer land in Kentucky and not at least get a present. I mean, he's got to get a present.
My eye went straight to it. All right, guys, I'm extremely excited. He's working on a logo for me. Now, we got to be honest. He gave me the first rendering, and the wife vetoed it. So,
hey, the wife's always got,
should I say wife or big boss or
supervisor?
Supervisor.
You're supervisor.
Okay, so he's working on the second one. You guys are just going to have to stay tuned to see this thing. But let's go out here and check out some of the signs and targets he's already got done. It's pretty cool looking. All right, guys, I believe this is the inventory room. And check out all these cool signs. Now, correct me if I say anything wrong. There's basically 3 different types of signs. This would be considered like a silhouette sign, right? Mm-hmm. The sign up there, I don't know if you can see it, that one right there, but that would be considered basically a 3D sign. See how it stands off?
Yep, and that's similar to kind of where our Harley Davidson is.
And then this would be, I'd call that like a 2-dimensional sign. It's just one right on top of the other.
And some signs will work out better as a 2-piece sign. Some signs will work out just like a 1-piece sign. It all depends on how your logo or your image or what have you is.
But within reason, if you guys can dream it up, this guy here can probably cut it out.
We can, if you've got a picture of it, and I'm not saying a picture that you've taken in your shop or your yard of your car, but if you've got a reasonable clip art picture or something like that, black and white image of some sorts, we can put it on our program, cut it out fairly quick.
Or a JPEG or zip file or anything like that, you guys can convert that over into your program.
Yep. We do a lot of the JPEG stuff and everything, and it'll transverse right over to our program. So.
Now, the second part of a lot of this is the targets you do, correct?
The targets, AR-500 steel.
And this ain't no make-believe AR-500. This is the real deal stuff, right?
Yeah, this ain't eBay bought stuff. This is top-notch stuff.
This is Facebook bought.
We get a lot of 5.56, 308. We got a lot of guys shooting long distance, Lapuas and stuff like that. They're really reaching out there, putting some work on these targets. But yeah, it's AR-500, abrasive resistant steel. It'll take pistol rounds just about as close as you dare to stand to it. Of course, long sleeves, eye pro, always when you're shooting targets.
Safety first.
But that's right. So we recommend 100 yards or further with our rifle rounds and everything. That gives the targets a little more time to accept the impact and everything of those rounds. But
Now you're giving me a quick view. You got all kinds of different types of targets here. From some fall down, stay down, some are reset.
we've got our dueling trees and all our stuff there too. I mean, you can really get after it.
Look at the inventory.
There's not much there. You think that's a lot, but it's
Yeah, I'm
sure
sure it goes pretty fast. And this thing here, you did a video on this a while back on these stands.
Yep, we've got our breakdown legs and everything.
Which we were talking, if a guy ain't got a pickup truck and he's traveling with the family or something, that's something you can just kind of fold up and throw in the back. And
Yeah, a lot of people we deal with a lot of people that don't have their own land to shoot on or what have you. They're transversing down to the shooting club, or they may have to drive 30 or 45 minutes to where they shoot their guns. So this all breaks down compact. It's a quick and easy way to get to the range, to get your target set up, and not have to pack a trailer, or you don't have to have a full size truck or what have you. So it helps.
all right, so sitting here talking to Junior today, the one thing he keeps saying over and over again is everything you see here you can learn on YouTube.
That's it.
I disagree with him. And this is why I disagree with him, because a lot of these processes and stuff you may see on YouTube, but his touch does make the difference on these signs. You can't see the detail or some of the craftsmanship that goes into some of this stuff. It's just not possible to see it on video or on a picture or anything like that. I'm guessing the only way you could possibly see it is if you order one, so that'd be my suggestion.
There you go. Order them up. Order 2 or 3 at a time.
Because I understand there's a lot of other people that can do this, but he's really good at it. So I'll put a link in the description to his YouTube channel. You guys need to check that out. And then I'm also going to put a link in the description to your Facebook page.
Thank you.
Because that's probably how most people get a hold of you, isn't it?
That's it. It's Facebook most generally. Email definitely. So.
Man, it's been a pleasure. We've been sitting here shooting the bull for probably 3 hours now.
It's been awesome. I've enjoyed it.
Yeah,
For sure.
It's been a lot of fun. I wish there was a bridge between your house and mine because we could do this a lot more often. So the hour-and-a-half drive around, but
Yeah, and we're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to move closer, or you're gonna have to move closer to something.
I think you need to jump the river, come north.
We might just start doing the boating thing back.
There you go. There you go. Yeah. We
quicker for us.
need to wait for the river to go down and the temperature to go up.
That's
So, all right, guys, I can't wait to see it. He's working on a logo for me. I do have a logo. None of you guys have seen that yet. The first time you see it, maybe whenever he cuts it out. So stay tuned and we'll check it out. All right, guys, it's about 2 weeks since I shot the first half of this video over at Junior's shop. Obviously, I'm back at my shop now. That's pretty obvious. But I'm excited because Junior is going to hand deliver my sign. I have not seen it. We're going to check it out. He should be here any minute. All right, guys, he made it. Junior himself.
I'm here, guys. I showed up.
The one and only. I made him ditch his Walter Wade hat. We got him a real hat.
Look at this fine and dandy hat. Man, I'm telling you.
We're going to get more of those out there. So, he gave me this sign. It's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not quite what I had in mind. There's no way this is going to compete with Brandon and Elite Earthworks.
Yeah, we'll have to up the game just a touch.
Yeah, so here it is, guys. I have not seen it. This is my first glance at it. Is this right side up?
Let's see. Yes.
All right.
That's the top.
He was nice enough to wrap it.
I wrapped it.
Shooter Options and Target shirt. So let's unveil this thing.
We do fine, outstanding wrapping at Shooter Option Target.
It's heavy, man.
Yes, it is.
Holy cow. Check that out.
I hope those was the colors you was after.
That is freaking awesome. There is no way. Eat your heart out, Brandon. That is for sure.
Might have a few fingerprints on it where I've been smudging around in the car today, but
That is awesome.
probably got a little dust on it. But
Look at that. What's that, 3 layers?
3 layers. So the dark green here and everything is the back layer. Then you've got the black, it's on 1 layer, and then the dirt is over top of everything. So.
Holy cannoli. I think you outdid yourself, man. Got this
Oh, I tried.
Shooter Options and Targets thing there on the back. You see it? I'll make sure I post all the links to his Facebook page, his YouTube channel. If you guys haven't seen his stuff, like I said before, you have got to check it out. It's awesome.
It was extremely our pleasure to do that for you. We worked on this one quite a bit. It took a little training on my part to get it done, but I'm hoping he's happy with it.
Now, in full disclosure, I told him this may be the most difficult logo he's ever did, and I'm glad it lived up to it, but man, did he hit it out of the park. That is awesome.
Well, I'm glad you like it, for sure.
So, thanks so much. He also was nice enough to give me a shirt to go in with it. I'll definitely be wearing that proud.
We got him on the right track now.
Yep.
I'm on the right track over here with the hat. He's on the right track over there with the shirt.
So, I'm sure now that we both figured out we live this close together, you'll be seeing more of us together. So guys, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment button. And get on over to his page and check him out.
All right, guys, so we just did the sign reveal for Michael with Dirt Perfect and everything. Got it all squared away. But he got a sign that he ordered. Got a t-shirt that we give him. But he doesn't know anything about this one. And there you go, sir.
Holy cow!
This is from Shooter Option Targets, and we appreciate all the shout outs and everything you've done for us and everything. So this is the one we kind of come up with, the colors that were on your logo and everything you've sent us and everything. So hopefully it's a good one.
Holy cannoli. Brandon, buddy, sorry. You know what?
Two. He got two, Brandon. Two.
And they are badass. Excuse my language. This one here, I'll tell you how nice. I'll tell you how nice this sign is. I'm pretty sure Jenna's going to let this one go in the house.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Now,
we made the list then.
If that don't tell you how nice this stuff is, oh my God. I'm speechless, and that's hard to do.
I think he's happy with it, guys. What do you guys think?
Yeah. Absolutely speechless. OMG, holy cow. Wowzers. I don't know what to say.
There you go, man. That's our present from us at Shooter Option Target, Mrs. Shooters, the whole 9 yards. Thank you for all the kind shout outs and everything, pointing us in the right directions at times when we need to be pointing in the right direction.
Yeah,
we
that's,
greatly appreciate it.
It's like I told Excavating 320 today, man. We are all in this together. That's the best part about this YouTube thing is the community and everybody just pitching in, shouting everybody out, helping everybody else out, learning. Neat and cool, neat people. Hell, I met my neighbor on YouTube. I ain't talking about Logger Wade.
I think we surprised him, guys. What do you think? You guys think we surprised him?
Yeah, that's an absolute understatement. Why? You shouldn't. I don't.
Just cause I felt like it's something I wanted to try and needed to do, and so you've got the hammered copper on there for the mud look to the print and everything, and then you've got the 3-piece sign and everything.
What's hard to explain is I don't know if you guys can see the detail in these signs. It's literally three layers of blood, sweat, and tears. There's no. Oh man.
Logger Wade, eat your heart out. We got competition over here.
Oh, sweet. Thank you so much, guys.
No problem. Our pleasure.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. More than you'd ever know.
Oh shoot, that ain't no problem. I'm glad you like them. That was the main thing I was nervous about.
No, how can you not? I mean, a blind guy can appreciate those things. They're awesome. 2 thumbs up. I'll hit all the buttons. You guys need to go over and do the same thing.
Y'all too. Go over there. Check out Dirt Perfect.
Awesome. This guy, awesome. All right, guys. Junior and his wife just left. We had an absolutely awesome day. We went up and visited with Logger Wade, shot some guns. It was awesome. Got my 2 signs here. I kind of had a little bit of an idea what that one was going to be through some emails and stuff. Absolutely dumbfounded over that one. Blew my mind. Can't believe it. You guys knocked it out of the park. Shouldn't have. Way too nice. Can't say enough great things. Thanks so much. Just quickly want to say thanks to everybody that's subscribed and supported my channel. It means more than you'll ever know. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Hit the big thumbs up if you like what you see. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.